Hi everyone, welcome to Meg's Adventures, my beautiful website. Here, I'll scroll down so you can see everything. I decided to make a website mainly about, well, me, for a few reasons. One, because college has been really rough for me, in the sense that I haven't been able to go on the adventures that I want to go on, and I'm kind of stuck doing the same mundane routine all the time, just school, work, and then whenever I have any downtime, I'm so exhausted from those other things that I just want to sleep. And so I wanted to make a website that reminded myself of the fun that I have had in life, that I can have, and that I will have, and maybe inspire those that are having a rough time like myself in college, to remind them that there's hope and that it's not the end of the world and they don't have to worry about not being cool right now, because their lives still can be cool and all that stuff. But yeah, I also wanted to use my own pictures because I am into photography, and as I've gotten older, I've realized that photography will not be a part of my career for much longer, because I've decided to change my major, and so I wanted to have a place where I could show off my work and maybe even still get a little bit of credit for that. But yeah, so I'll show you around a little bit. This is my homepage. Just pictures of me and here's me and my family on a hike. Well, my family on a hike. My husband and me. Another picture from a hike, and then me and my brothers. Just kind of the main things that are important to me in my life. First impression about me, and then just a fun quote with another fun picture. And then I have I'm from Seattle, and I'm very proud of that. And so I have just this little extra, post separate from my adventure blog that just kind of tells people a little bit about Seattle. You can see I have some pictures from trips that I've gone on and things that I've done with my friends, and just kind of like a guide, like you should hit these points and hit these spots when you go, and this is what Seattle's like, all that stuff, just kind of a little taste and inspiring people to go. And then we've got my contact page. There we go. Contact me. Right there. Cute. My adventure blog, and then you can shop, and I'll show you. I decided, since I wanted to get some use out of my pictures, you can buy some pictures, have those for sale. This was actually the hardest part of the class for me, setting this up with PayPal, because I get super suspicious when people ask me for my social security number, and I was just like, I don't want to, and my screen was not lining up with tutorials, even the new ones, and so I was just kind of overwhelmed and just not feeling it. So, but yeah, that's my website, and that's a little bit about me, and I hope you enjoyed my website as much as I enjoyed making it.